Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ganesh SBME Special Advisor. I am your Ganesh, friendly senior biomedical engineer friends. So especially this video I am going to dedicate to all upcoming new biomedical engineers and new students who are ready to come to join in biomedical engineering students. Yes friends, so for those peoples I would like to say my advice based on my experience and based on few comments are given in the comment box in my YouTube channel. So for those peoples, students, friends, be ready, happy, enjoy, welcome to the biomedical engineering. Okay, first point. Second point is biomedical engineering field is the completely technical engineering principles and hospital sector and health sector sectors, and we are providing the services to the society. Yes friends, so that's why we have to enter the biomedical engineering field as a human being, our great responsibility, because of we have to know the importance of our lifestyle. If we get any problem, if we get a human health problem, then what will happen? Because of as a human being we should know our organs and what our function in our body and what is needed to apply the condition of the equipments. Understand friends? So for these peoples, and biomedical related means complete all types of different are involved. Okay, and salary is also good, and day to day depend on our performance, and companies and branches and countries depend on location, then you will get a salary on your basis. But we cannot say less salary, high salary, based on our experience, based on our work, based on your location, based on our company. So all things related to your job friends. Yes, okay, so that's why before you have to keep the aim in your proper life. Okay, you have to keep the aim in your proper life and just concentration about your life, what you have a talent, in which way suitable for you. Yes friends, so that's why I am trying to say. Have you got my point friends? Okay, thank you so much friends supporting me, and I hope you watch my channel, and definitely I hope many people are keep watching my channel, and many people are subscribing my channel, and many people membership my channel, and many people are daily watching my channel. Because of, how can I say today, because of many students are asking me, sir, any vacancy? I completed the diploma, I completed the BTech, so many resumes also I got. So definitely those persons and few people final year students, sir, I completed the final year, so in future biomedical future have or not, tell me, or otherwise give please upload the scope of the biomedical engineering. So that time I heard very happy, understand. And one more thing is, so many questions to nearly 300 videos I upload in a YouTube channel. So whatever requirement and what are the freshers who are coming new joining and who are coming new students, for those purpose I created the what is biomedical engineering, what are the scopes of biomedical engineering, and what are the salaries of biomedical engineering, what are the principles of biomedical engineering, what are the capabilities of biomedical engineering. So like many questions are there, because of I cannot give explanation, but that's why every video I given a time 10 to 15 minutes. So within 10 to 15 minutes just sit and watch on your mobile YouTube channel. Definitely you will get more, a little and more you will get the information, because of what I achieved. That is reality. Because of in our day-to-day life we are facing the many problems, and we are doing the job because of as practical life is different, understand. So that's only I am trying to say you. I hope you can understand my friends. So upcoming days, whenever I free for equipment wise everything, some students are asking, sir, I need IC equipments, I need troubleshootings and medical equipments, all how to operate, how to repair. So can you, it's possible, please that type of video provide please. Okay, that type of video also available upcoming days. Understand, because of first of all any student, any engineer comes from school life and college life, and there only studied well. After getting good job, whatever it is, depend on his performance. Yes, so that's why today I am ready. I want to say, you know, that's why I want to say which purpose, because of initial newcomers we should give the information, because of but now a biomedical engineering field is in the society, so many people don't know, many people know, but they are not published in the society. But biomedical engineering field is the main part of the technical human life. Even corona time also we are working as a biomedical engineer non-stop. We are providing the services to the ill patients. Yes or no? Yes, are you agree? Yes, because of big courage, we should be a courage and we should be strengthy and we should be a strong mentally and physically and talking power, work power and skills, everything we should maintain dignity, everything is excellent, no need to fear anything, because of we are giving the great efforts and we are keeping the efforts in a good way. Yes or no? So that's my just I want to interact with you all peoples, that's my friends. So as your requirements, I am also interested to give the that type of explanation, because of I like the teachings field, because of what I learned today. So definitely future it will be inspired to all peoples. Just my level I am trying. Actually now many people are settle, I make settle, because of many students are asking. I given the job also in different reference, not only one company, different companies I reference, and they got a good salary, and now that is better salary as their standards. Yes friends, so that's why please keep watching my channel, and definitely Ganesh is yours. Okay, Ganesh channel, okay, yes, biomedical engineering, something information is there, so we can watch the videos, we can get the information from there. Yes friends, so that type of situation I want to create, because of that is my aim. Money you can earn anywhere, life and earn anywhere, understand? And money also different ways you will get it, but knowledge is also different way getting, but this is the one of the way to publish. We have to share our knowledge. This is the platform, YouTube channel, I hope. Yes friends, so that's why many new people, they don't know how to open the biomedical engineering course, whatever the things, how to study the subjects, because of many subjects are there semester wise. Yes or no? Semester wise, and how to complete, sir, it's very complicated. So that type of people's purpose we are here to support you, because of good guidance is the good life, good guidance is the excellent way to lead the success in our life. Yes, so that's why I am always try to support you, and one by one, day to day, definitely I will give you friends, it's my promise. So actually I plan one by one, because of starting what is biomedical engineering, scopes of biomedical. So these basics to have to go, because of before you don't know what is the biomedical engineering, then how do you get the information about the biomedical equipments? Yes or no? First of all, you have to know how to enter the biomedical engineering course. Then what are there? Then what is the life? What is the available? Understand? So these are things you have to search, and you have to find out, you have to get it, and you have to confirm it. Is it correct or not? Okay, I will have a bright future or not? Just you have to realize yourself. If you do not have an idea, just you have to approach your seniors like me in front of you, or near to your who are available in your life. Then just contact and ping them. Okay, and mingle with them. Okay, then definitely you get the information. Everything is possible. Just keep efforts in a possible way. Okay, right. So in coming days, that's why I'm saying pin to pin everything, just ICU equipments, OT equipments. So many biomedical engineering field is the greatest field and largest and bright future. Okay, so my advice in this video I want to conclude. Okay, please keep watching my channel, and definitely update videos, because of daily I am not giving updates, because I do not have time. So whenever I have time, weekly 2-3 videos I will upload for you, to interact with you and to share with you whatever I have knowledge in my life. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind. Okay, thank you.